Okay, so this is the newest group of gardens. We've now got them planted. As you can see, it's all lettuce. We're running on right around 800 parts per million for the tank. This red salad bowl I'd started up. I planted it in, tried to get it as close as I could, and they're about an inch apart. I was hoping to get a ½ inch apart on it. And where we planted everything else, it was supposed to be like a ½ inch apart on the seeds, but they're probably like 8 seeds per inch. So we're doing a lot of different types of lettuce in here. It'd be a cut and come again style to where we just keep cutting it. I planted it on the December 4th. I imagine it to be up in a couple more days. Did some red salad bowl, and then I threw some seeds in between it. I forgot what I put. It's probably going to be either a basic salad mix or a musclin mix. And as you see, there's 18 different lines of plants and probably 15 or 16 different types of lettuces. So we'll have plenty. This is the powerless gravity feed, whatever you want to call it. If we were to get 1 inch of rain, that would create like 3.7 gallons of fluid. We got a tank right there we'd catch it in. I'll probably put a bigger tank there. And then I have it set to where it's 50% of the nutrients is halfway up. So it's like 3.5 inches up. And then you got 3.5 inches of perlite. So that takes probably around 12 gallons of fluid to run all 3 of these. I got my tank sitting over here. I filled the things up. I measured the fluid just to get an idea what's going on, and then I cleaned the tank off and I remeasured. So the black mark is I had the tank almost full, and then the black mark is 2 days later. So we're just not going to really keep a track of it because it's just going to be lettuce, but it'd be interesting to see how long it takes. You know, when the lettuce gets bigger, it will cover up the perlite to where it won't evaporate, but the lettuce will be taking it. So we'll find out what happens. So we'll do another follow-up in a couple of days once the lettuce is grown, coming up. That way you can see what we're doing.